Salvete omnes. With this short video, I want you to focus on this last sentence of the book 4 of the De Bello Gallico, and especially on this de pace, which is to be translated with in order to ask for peace, which makes it a form of purpose clause. Now we are going to use this sentence just to analyze the other ways of expressing purpose. 1 and 2 are the normal ones, ut plus the subjunctive, or qui, the relative clause, with the subjunctive instead of the indicative. Then we are going to go to 3 and 4 with the gerundive or the gerund, petendum, in the accusative introduced by ad, so kind of towards doing something. Remember, you have the gerundive if you match this ending as an adjective with a noun, or the gerund if petendum is considered as an independent verb. And then we are going to go to 5 and 6, which have the gerund, petendi, or gerundive in the genitive with causa or gratia. In both cases, we mean in order to, because of. The last two forms are with a future participle that matches the subject, and as you can tell, these sentences have been modeled to match this one here, legati. And the last one, number 8, is the use of the supine in to express purpose, but this only happens when you have a verb that expresses movement in the main clause. And with this, I am going to leave you, and I will send you some practice on the subordinate clause that we call purpose clauses.